Hello, boys and girls. Today for writing, we are going to learn that good writers get serious about their writing. So I have to say, I've been so happy for you guys. You guys became such great writers. Wait, not happy, proud. Wait, I have a better word. Delighted. But yeah, I feel so delighted that you guys are being amazing writers. Delighted is a sparkly word. It's a fifth grade word compared to happy. Happy is a first grade word. Delighted is a fifth grade word. And that's considered to be a fancy word or a sparkly word. Okay? So I've been reading some of your writing and I noticed you guys been putting some sparkly words such as suddenly, asleep, adventure, surprise, dreaming. These are all sparkly words. And sometimes they're really tricky to spell. Like, do you ever freeze every time you write a tricky word? You're like, oh no, I don't know what to do. Well, don't freeze. Be brave and try to use a spelling strategy. Okay? Try using fancy word to make your story sparkle. Okay? Instead of writing happy, write delightful, or a different word. But don't be scared about spelling. Okay? Now, what I would like you to do, I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil. Give you 2 minutes to do that. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm waiting. Take it out. I want to see everyone ready. Okay. All right. So, what we're going to be doing, we're going to try to spell a word like splashing. Okay, maybe some of you guys are writing a story about going to the beach or the pool. Someone's splashing, right? So how do we figure out the word splashing? Well, we're going to focus on today. We're going to see how many syllables does your word have? And a syllable means that it has every syllable you have in a word, it has to have a vowel. Every syllable has a vowel. Okay? Like the word cupcake. Let's do it. How many syllables does cupcake have? Let's put your hand underneath your mouth and see how many times it opens. Cup, cake. Two vowels, right? So today we're going to focus on how can we use syllables to help us with our spelling. Okay? So the word is splashing. Let's put our hand underneath our mouth and let's see how many times our mouth opens with the word splashing. Splashing. How many times did it open? Good job. 2 times. So we know there's 2 vowels, okay? It's either an A, E, I, O, U, right? So let's try to figure out the first part. Sp, sp, ooh, sp, ooh. Let's see. I hear the word sp, sp. I hear the SP, spool. Now, spool. Did you guys get that? Spool? Yeah. Are we done? No. We need to find, we got to continue. Splashing. Splash. Oh, I hear my vowel. What vowel do you hear? A. That's correct. Splash. What digraph do you hear? Shh. Shh. SH. Okay. But I'll see the word splash. But am I done? What word am I trying to write? Splashing. Yes. Ing. Oh. Ing. Splashing. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's see. How many vowels do we have? 1, 2. So we have a 2-syllable word, splash, ing, splashing. Okay? So you see how we could tell, like, using the syllables will help us with our spelling? So I know this word has 2 syllables, and I know that has 2 vowels. Splashing. Good job. So today I want to teach you that writers often choose special and fancy words to bring sparkle to their stories. These brave writers remember and use all they know about spelling as they write. Now these are different strategies we've learned in the past. We've learned how to say it, tap it, hear it, spell it, right? We learned to use sight words. We listen to little words inside the word. Use words you know. use words part by part, and today we're going to listen for syllables, okay? What sounds you hear and what vowels you hear, okay? So my example. So I'm going to write about my story, my realistic fiction story. Okay. So I am going to use listen for syllables. So if I come to a tricky word, I am going to try my best and use a spelling strategy. Okay. Okay. One sunny day, Tina was walking her fluffy dog Molly. Molly saw a cat and ran away with the leash. Let's see. Molly saw a cat and ran away with the leash. Now that's a tricky word for me to spell. What should I do? Okay. Ooh, ish. So let me try. Ooh, I hear the L. Ooh, ish. Leash. Does that really look right? That looks like weird. I'm gonna try something else. It says looks like leash to me. That does not look like leash. So leash. Maybe it's two e's, right? Two e's make e also. Leash. That still doesn't look right. Let me try EA. EA Valentine. That looks right. Molly saw a cat and ran away with the leash. Whew, got that right. And I made sure that I have ish. I have my vowels in the word. Okay, then Tina was pulled so hard she twisted. Let's see. Twisted. Let's see how many syllables it have. Put your hand underneath your mouth. Twisted. 2 syllables. So that means there's 2 vowels. Okay. So let's try to sound out each sound. T, tu, t, w. What sound does make? Yes. Twist. Twisted. Now, let's see. Twisted. She twisted. Now, I'm not done yet because there's another vowel. There's twisted. Does that look right? Because it's only one vowel here. I need to have another vowel in this word. Twisted. Let me see which one makes sense. It looks right. Twisted. Ooh, that does not look right at all. Twisted. Oh, I know. ED. Because ED also says id. Twisted. Yes, I got it right. It looks right, right? Twisted. Tina was pulled so hard she twisted her foot. Okay, now, next, Molly ran around the corner. Corner. So how many vowels do you have? Let's see. Let's listen for syllables. Put your hand underneath your mouth. Corner. 2 vowels. So let's see. Core. Or. I know or. O-R. Corn. And then Am I right? No, because it's only one vowel here. I need to have another vowel. Oh, okay. Corn. You are? No, doesn't look right. ER? Yes, corner. Next, Molly ran around the corner. Her mom caught Molly and gave it back to Tina. Okay, so now we'll continue my story. But today's point of the lesson is to figure out the spelling, okay? So now what I want you to do, you're going to either write another realistic story or take out an old writing and fix your spelling. Okay, so write and remember to use sparkle words. Even if you don't know how to spell them, remember to use all that you know about spelling. Use a chart, listen to syllables, read it part by part. This is definitely a great tool to help you with your spelling. Don't be scared and be a brave speller. Okay, off you go.